That's what we're promoting right now, inclusivity.
Just to show people that we care about one another. I think
You have an obligation. Somebody got you here to say.
So I urge you to make a difference.